Hello students, I am Ramya. I will be taking science for you. In today's class, we are going to discuss about our body. When we eat food, where does it go after we swallow it? Yes, it goes to the stomach. Stomach is an important organ of our body. Our body is made up of different organs. There are two types of organs, namely external organs and internal organs. What do you mean by external organs? External organs are the organs that are visible. We can see these external organs. Can you name these external organs? Yes. Head, hands, chest, abdomen, legs and all the sense organs. These are external organs which we can see. Then what are internal organs? Internal organs are the organs which are inside our body. Can we see these organs? No. Internal organs are not visible. So now can you tell me which are these internal organs? Yes. Brain, thorax, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, intestine, bladder, these are internal organs which we cannot see and it is inside our body. Let us learn about some of the internal organs in detail. Have you wondered how do we solve mathematical problem? Which internal organ is helping us to solve the problems? Yes, the brain is helping to solve the problems. The brain also helps us to think, recall, understand, make decision, communicate our feelings, thoughts, and also it controls all the body movements. Which are the body movements which we show? Yes, running, jumping, coughing, blinking eyes, smiling, dancing, clapping, many more. When I say body movements, there are several body movements which we do knowingly or unknowingly. Whether brain controls all the body movements? I am moving my hand. This I am doing by my own wish. We are walking. When we are walking, the steps which we keep are controlled by our brain. My brain is telling me to walk. So such actions which are controlled by the brain are called voluntary actions. I am waving my hands. My brain is telling me to wave the hand, right? So movements which are under the control of brain are called voluntary actions. I repeat, movements which are under the control of brain are called voluntary actions. Now, can you name some of the voluntary actions? Yes, reading, writing, jumping, running. These are the movements which we do by our own wish and these are called voluntary actions. Whether coughing or sneezing and blinking eyes, is it voluntary actions? If I am blinking my eyes, definitely it is a voluntary actions. But you might have observed, we blink our eyes several times unknowingly, right? It is not under the control of brain. So such action which are not under the control of brain are called involuntary actions. I repeat, the body movements which are not controlled by the brain are called involuntary actions. For example, we are digesting the food. The digestion is taking place in stomach. The respiration process and many more other internal organs functions are not controlled by the brain. So such movements are called involuntary action. Now, can you give me some other examples of involuntary actions? Yes. As I said in the example, blinking our eyes, coughing when something is stuck in our throat, sneezing, and when you touch a hot vessel, we'll take back our hand. And if a dog is chasing you, what you will do? You will start running. So these all are involuntary actions. So brain is a very important internal organ. So where this brain is located? Brain is located inside our head, that is inside the skull. So brain is a very important internal organ of our body. Now let us see one more important internal organ, that is the heart. What is heart? Where it is located? As you can see in the picture, heart is a muscular structure. It is present in the center of chest, slightly towards the left. You can see in the picture, it is slightly towards the left. How big is our heart? It is only the size of one's fist. My heart is the size of my fist. Your heart, the size of your fist. Such a small heart, what does it do in our body? It pumps blood to all the parts of body through the blood vessels. It pumps blood to all the parts of body through the blood vessels. When it is pumping blood, it produces the sound lub-dub. It is called heartbeat. The sound produced when the heart pumps blood, that is lub-dub, is called heartbeat. Now, when we visit a doctor, what does he do? He will keep the stethoscope on our chest to hear our heartbeats while looking on his watch. What is the purpose? He is counting how many times our heart beats for a minute. A healthy person's heart beats 72 times for a minute. A healthy person's heart beats 72 times per minute. When you are doing the physical activities like running, playing in the ground, at that time our heartbeat increases. Why? Because the heart is pumping the blood to the other parts of body in a faster way. That's why our heartbeat increases when we do the physical activity. So heart is a very important internal organ because it is supplying blood to all the parts of body, due to which the parts of body functions. So what we have learned in today's class? Let us recall by answering the following questions. Which are the two types of organs? Yes, external and internal organs. Next question. What you mean by external organs? External organs are the organs that are visible to us. Then, what do you mean by internal organs? Internal organs are the organs which are inside our body and not visible to us. What are the voluntary actions? Voluntary actions are the actions which is controlled by our brain. Then what are involuntary actions? Involuntary actions are the actions which are not under the control of brain. Where is heart located? Heart is located in the center of our chest, slightly towards the left. What is the size of heart? It is only the size of one's fist. Which internal organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? Yes, heart pumps blood to all the parts of body. How many times does heart beats per minute? A healthy person heart beats 72 times per minute. That's all for today. I have attached notes along with this video. Write down in your science notebook. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.